Welcome to Part 15 of 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, words 351 to 375. More essential daily words with clear American pronunciation and real examples. Repeat after me. You're advancing fast. Word 351. Together. Pronounced together. Adverb for with each other. Repeat, together, together. Example, work together. Word 352. Got, pronounced got. Past of get. Repeat, got, got. Example, got the idea. Word 353. Group, pronounced group. Noun for collection. Repeat, group. Group. Example, study group. Word 354. Often, pronounced often. Adverb for frequently. Repeat, often. Often. Example, often visit. Word 355. Run, pronounced run. Verb for move fast. Repeat, run. Run. Example, run the business. Word 356. Second, pronounced second. Ordinal number. Repeat, second. Second. Example, second chance. Word 357. Life, pronounced life. Noun for existence. Repeat, life. Life. Example, enjoy life. Word 358. Began, pronounced began. Past of begin. Repeat, began. Began. Example, project began. Word 359. Always, pronounced always. Adverb for every time. Repeat, always. Always. Example, always try. Word 360. Self, pronounced self. Noun for oneself. Repeat, self. Self. Example, believe in self. Word 361. Government, pronounced government. Noun for ruling body. Repeat, government. Government. Example, local government. Word 362. High, pronounced high. Adjective for level. Repeat, high. High. Example, high quality. Word 363. Company, pronounced company. Noun for business. Repeat, company. Company. Example, good company. Word 364. End, pronounced end. Noun for finish. Repeat, end. End. Example, at the end. Word 365. Himself, pronounced himself. Reflexive pronoun. Repeat, himself. Himself. Example, did it himself. Word 366. Without, pronounced without. Preposition for lacking. Repeat, without. Without. Example, without help. Word 367. Family, pronounced family. Noun for relatives. Repeat, family. Family. Example, happy family. Word 368. Found, pronounced found. Past of find. Repeat, found. Found. Example, found the key. Word 369. General, pronounced general. Adjective for overall. Repeat, general. General. Example, general idea. Word 370. Name, pronounced name. Noun for title. Repeat, name. Name. Example, Your name. Word 371. Once, pronounced once. Adverb for one time. Repeat, once. Once. Example, once upon a time. Word 372. Yet, pronounced yet. Adverb for up to now. Repeat, yet. Yet. Example, not yet. Word 373. Part, pronounced part. Noun for portion. Repeat, part. Part. Example, best part. Word 374. Around, pronounced around. Preposition for surrounding. Repeat, around. Around. Example, look around. Word 375. Both, pronounced both. Determiner for two. Repeat, both. Both. Example, both options. Fantastic! You've mastered words 351 to 375. Excellent progress! Subscribe for part 16 tomorrow and keep mastering English.